Christmas night.
Good day, world. For those of you who are new here, I'm Tiffany-Nicole from my troop. Welcome back. Always happy to have you. So as you can see, I'm still in the Airbnb. What was it? Vlogmas. I think it was Vlogmas day 7, where I was moving out of my last Airbnb. And today I'm moving out of the second Airbnb into the third Airbnb. So I have to pack all of my clothes back up again. It's two things. The unfortunate part is that I have to be at work in exactly 4 hours. It's 8 o'clock. I have to be there at 12 o'clock, 12:15. The second thing is that my Airbnb host told me that I cannot check in early. Check-in time was supposed to be scheduled for 4 p.m. and they told me the earliest that I can do is 3. Even with me asking, can I just drop my bags off? They're not budging on that. They even sent me a link to somewhere else where I can drop my bags off, like some sort of luggage locker or something. So they're being pretty difficult on that. They're not budging. I'm grateful that this current Airbnb right here allowed us to do that. So with that being said, I have a very short time to get my things together. Thankfully, Angel has her own Airbnb. Kesey and I have our own Airbnb. Again, if you haven't seen it, click the link for the tour for that one. But Angel's host for her Airbnb did say that she was able to check in early. So we're going to drop all of our things, Kesey, Angel, and myself, all of our things to Angel's Airbnb, which is nearby. But mine is about maybe 3 blocks away from here, if that. So anyway, I'm thankful that we can drop our luggage off there. And then when you have food and perishables and everything, it becomes a headache. So we're gonna drop our luggage and throw everything in the food and just be like, all right, thanks, I'll be back later. I'm in Miami for a work trip with Cartier, and I did work another event with Suntory. You would have seen some clips of the job by now, so please check those vlogs out. But yes, let me get ready because I got 4 hours to get to work, and I gotta pack. Like 7 minutes, 6 minutes left, and everybody is moving their luggage out. I did really good. They packed the food. Look at all this. They packed the food.
He said I left the laundry room open as soon as.
Yeah.
Where do they want the towels and the trash? Did they say towels?
Trash up.
Yeah,
Towels on the
we
floor.
have towels in the bathroom.
Towels on the floor, bed unmade, and then trash is out to the.
Bed unmade, so strip it.
No, just leave it as it is.
See, that's what I initially thought to put. You wanna go?
Airbnb asked me to sign an agreement separately outside of the app.
Somebody's scissors. Are we on camera?
So they can see the shenanigans.
Why? And what is she saying?
Wait, can they see y'all see her? Oh, she got a hot up? Oh, no, she don't got a hot up.
It's the calves for me.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw this in your reel.
Okay.
Thank you. They're about to do a couple of trips, but they emptied out everything that we had here, the fridge. They took most of the groceries. They're loading up in Steph's car right now.
Seems like you responded with give me 215. He's gonna check.
Give me 10 to 15, he said.
Oh no. We can go drop the stuff off. Oh. Saying 17 minutes to go check the units to see if we can get food in the fridge. Got it.
Oh, okay, cool. Thank you. All right, so they're about to take the first part of the luggage now. I don't even know if my wig is on correctly. I didn't even brush it. How about that? Oh my gosh, it's a mess, y'all. It's a mess. I can't wait to do my hair tonight. But this is how the bathroom is looking as proof. Okay. Just fine. And the room, there's some booty wipes there. This is Seth's room, guys. So Seth had the master suite, or excuse me, the primary bedroom. What type of headboard is this? What the fudge is that? Almost got a splinter just now. Absolutely not. He had a mini fridge in here. He had a view of the pool right here. And his bathroom is nice. Double vanity. But that headboard is an absolute no. And then the other room, because there are 4 bedrooms here. It's crazy that we weren't even able to use the pool. Like, we were able to, but we just haven't. We didn't have the time to. Real talk. Lizards are. Ugh. How do you guys do it out here with the lizards?
You want some of that, dude? Are you reading that?
No, I'm not. Alright, guys, we are off. Just pulled up to the other Airbnb, which is just a minute drive away. Where the ladies at? Huh?
Slide's a lot better than the last one.
The last one? Where they at? Yeah. Alright, let's do it. Okay, so apparently there's a guest house here at Angel's Airbnb. Okay. Thank you. Let's see. It says guest house. Hey.
You literally was just saying what's taking you so long.
Oh, I was taking long? Look, we post all the rest up on this side. Thank you.
And then there's a thing to just press lock, right? Okay, yeah. Oh, looks like it might be the same thing as the other one. Yeah. Or that it might lock on its own. It never has since we've been here. It hasn't, you're right. This could be one of those ones where you press the code and lock. Do you have the code? Yeah. Okay. I forgot some of them you press the code and press that.
Okay. Well. Right. It's a cute back area. Nice guest house.
She was like, this is her own. Like,
her own back area?
Yeah.
Cute.
I was like, if Tia wasn't like she is with these daggone lizards,
yeah,
we can sit out here and chill.
Yeah. I would lose my mind.
Right.
It's super cute. It's like the perfect weather to sit.
That lock might not even been changed yet.
And have a little kiki, eat. No, I was just saying, it's like, it's the perfect weather. It's the perfect space to have a little kiki, chill, eat. Y'all have a drink.
That's what I was saying.
But the darn lizards, baby.
Well, right now it's fine. I think,
I almost didn't get inside Seth's car because I heard it going through the bushes in Seth's car.
This is clearly not their hour. I also feel like the hotter it is, the more you see them.
Yeah.
Because cooler, they don't really care.
Because they were running around at our Airbnb just now.
But our first Airbnb on the walk, remember we see all the time. And then one day they was, well, I know I'm not talking about myself. One day they was scurrying across the sidewalk. In front of me.
And they were climbing on the building too.
And that's when I was like, oh, because I hadn't seen them, and then I seen them in abundance all of a sudden. But this cat here, you know,
they stink.
They don't fuck with cats either.
Oh, they don't.
Because you know how cats are. So
oh, you're right. The cat is protected.
Think about
come over to our house. Come to lizards.
But think about how a cat is with mice. They play with them. They play like they won't do the same thing with a lizard.
Yeah.
So they don't fuck with.
I'll sit right then.
Oh. Hold up.
So we were organizing the luggage and putting everything in one spot.
I figured, no worries. Y'all got time.
So that they could clean up.
Gave me time to catch up on everything.
Yeah. Can you drop us off to Pure Vida? Say to her. We all came to Pure Vida. We all came to Pure Vida to grab some food real quick before work. It's like less than 30 minutes before our shift starts. So there's a lot of sick people. Did you hear the way Marlon was coughing in the shower? Yo, Marlon was sick.
But he said that's why they're saying Aaron got them sick. Yeah. Is what they're saying.
Yeah. Marlon was coughing and sneezing.
Yeah, that's why he said something. That's why I was like, oh, he was sick. I didn't know.
Everybody was sick.
But I ain't worried about it. They ain't get me sick.
So, immune stuff. That's what I got. I know that's right. We don't claim that. Exactly. And the Vida veggie, I got the Vida veggie bowl to eat. The ladies got the mango salmon. I was considering the mango salmon, but I was like, let me try the Vida veggie. It had feta. You know, I love feta, and I got the cilantro rice. So we're gonna see what it's made for. But we gotta be to work soon. You are? Y'all. This veggie bowl is not bad. And then she got the salmon bowl. She loves the dressing. Balling right now.
What's your name? Yeah, I'll stop.
No, you go ahead.
Fake, right?
I gotta clean my
I'll
lens.
play my game.
But yeah, it's the fact that I haven't even brushed my hair today. I just put a wig on because we was going out.
It was real.
It was real. It was real.
Happy birthday, dear Alice. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you guys. It was so nice to work with all of you. So nice to work. Pleasure. If you're in New York, hit us up. Thanks again, you guys.
So this is the Airbnb, y'all. So this is all our stuff in here. Look in the room. It looks just like the pictures. But this is all our stuff. It's almost midnight at this point. We had freaking crazy things happening, but at work. But we still have some food left over. These are the drinks that we got from the activation that we did last week. If y'all can check out my vlog for that. Centauri. This is the kitchen. There is a mosquito in here somewhere. We saw it. Kissy tried to get it earlier, but she didn't get it. So I don't know what a mosquito is now. I just don't want it in my room. Period. And down this hallway. Well, we got. I don't like these washer dryer combinations. Can't stand them. You can only do one load every 3 hours? I can't stand that. What's this? Oh, go ahead, Kissy. This is the boiler. Kissy's room is this way. But her room is bigger. As you can see, her floor is bigger than mine. Huh?
They stored this huge box of toilet paper in the. Is that paper?
Oh, was actual toilet paper in there?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
On both, actually. They're both toilet paper.
Wow.
No, this paper towel. This toilet paper.
Finally, an Airbnb that provides enough toilet paper.
But shoot, I can pack that in a suitcase.
Okay.
I can leave that around.
Okay. She said, I'm about to go home with an empty suitcase full of toilet paper. That's it.
I but you could.
Okay. This is Keithy's bathroom. Double vanity here. Cute, right? Look at that large shower. It's so large. I love it. So yeah, that's a nice size. And then this is that's my bathroom. This is my room. Let's see. It's a little cold in here. Oh, I gotta turn off this fan. Because we don't want the fan on. Fan. Definitely gotta make sure the bed is clean and stuff. Got some towels there. Fan is taken off. And I got my closet. Closet's pretty big, so I can't even use it to hang up anything because look at this big old lock here. That's their stuff. Where am I gonna hang up stuff at? Not even enough hangers, but I'm gonna use it. And this gives me access to my bathroom. But I'm gonna go this way because of the mosquitoes. And we got the mirror right here. I love that. See? Still bright. And then look at this, which I used to have in my old apartment, if y'all remember. So I love that. I love. So hopefully there's no bugs in here because I think I might keep this door closed, that one, and then just open the bedroom door. Cause yeah, that's so cute. I love that for me. I love that. So yeah, that's cute. Just like that. Yeah. The fact that I'm trying to move these suitcases all one by one to avoid a mosquito getting inside the room. I just turned the heat on though because the weather is kind of chilly. And tonight is probably, it might be like 50 or something. Let's see if I can open this real quick. Look at this in here real fast. One in here. Let's look at the kitchen real quick, guys. I want y'all to see the kitchen of this place. It has been a very stressful past 3 days. And today we were supposed to go out to dinner at Swan. I think that's Pharrell's restaurant. So we were supposed to go out to dinner. Everybody keeps raving about it. We made reservations days in advance for tonight. We didn't get to go because of some work stuff, some, you know, politics, and there's just a lot going on. I want to thank you all for watching my vlog. Yeah, I'm falling asleep. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope that you stay. And to my troop, I appreciate you. Thank you for everything. Every comment, every like, every view goes a long way. So thank you. Good night, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Watch my vlog on the outfits. It's coming tomorrow, y'all. Later.